In this video, we will be discussing how to install multi-seal tire sealant using the pneumatic injection cart in 4 easy steps. Before beginning, make sure to put on your safety glasses. Step 1. Energize the pump. Close the airline valve. Attach your compressed air line to the pump. The maximum pressure to the pump is set at 100 psi from the factory using a fixed pressure reducer. At this point, your pump is ready to be primed. Step 2. Prime the pump. Make sure that 1. The drain valves on the bottom of the reservoir tank, 2. The airline valve, and 3. The valve on the end of the sealant delivery hose are all closed. Pour sealant into the reservoir tank. Open the drain valve on the bottom of the reservoir tank directly above the measuring cylinder you will be using and fill the cylinder approximately half full. Turn the arrow on the 3-way valve handle towards the cylinder you will be using. Open the airline valve and then slowly crack open the sealant hose valve. Discharge the sealant back into the reservoir. Allow the pump to run until the pump speed increases and stabilizes at the higher rate, approximately 10 seconds after the first high-frequency strokes. This indicates that you have pumped all the sealant in the cylinder. Close the sealant hose valve and then quickly close the airline valve. The cylinders, the pump, and hose are now primed and ready. Step 3. Measure the sealant. Using the application chart, determine the volume of sealant for the tires you intend to treat. The reservoir should already be full of sealant from the priming step. Fill the appropriate cylinder to the prescribed ounce mark on the gauge for 1 tire only. Drawing sealant for multiple tires at the same time will result in incorrect dosage. Step 4. Install the sealant. Very important, confirm that the valve at the end of the sealant fill line is closed. Open the airline valve, check the tire pressure, carefully remove the valve core and attach the quick connect fitting to the valve stem. Open the sealant hose valve. This will start the flow of sealant into the tire. Allow the pump to run until the pump speed increases and stabilizes at the higher rate. Close the valve at the end of the sealant hose to stop the pump and then quickly close the airline valve. Disconnect the hose and replace the valve core. Be sure to follow industry recommended safety practices for inflating tires and inflate tire to manufacturer specifications. Fill the cylinder for the next tire to be treated and repeat the same steps.